Ever wonder how scientists and programmers handle massive amount of data with Python? Meet NumPy, the superhero of scientific computing in Python. Whether it's crushing number or performing complex calculation, NumPy makes it fast and simple. So in your mind, it's coming what is NumPy and how we are going to use in Python. So NumPy is a Python library that specializes in working with multi-dimensional array. Think of array like a supercharged list in Python. But within the extra power, it's designed for scientific computing, giving you tools to perform tasks like math operation, reshaping the data, sorting, and even running the complex simulation all at lightning speed. Unlike Python list, NumPy array have a fixed size of all their elements are of the same data type, making them efficient and compact. Plus the magic happen because NumPy run most of operation in highly optimized C code, meaning you get near C performs without writing complicated C program. And also while you are using NumPy, you don't need to make loop concept because NumPy easily handle all the loop concept in backend. So you don't need to write loop concept while you are using in NumPy. So that is the magic of NumPy. Let's start with the coding part. So first I'm going to create a one basic concept on NumPy, which is the 1D array. So how we can create the 1D array while we are using a NumPy? So first what we need to more focus on that, I am using the Jupyter notebook. Before going to create anything, first we need to import the NumPy. So we have one command pip install NumPy and then enter. So what happened, it will install the NumPy, okay, but in my system I think it's already there, so I'm not going to install. You need to restart kernel, use the updated package. So this package already there in my system, okay. So I'm restarting the my kernel. Yeah, this command help you to create install the NumPy. Now whenever you are going to use NumPy, you need to import that. So we need to use import NumPy as a NP. Now I'm going to talk about basic feature about the NumPy, why you use. So like in a NumPy some feature there like a ND array, that is called n dimensional of array object, and this is a efficient of the n dimensional array object. Then we use broadcasting operation of array whenever we need to the different shape of array, so we use broadcasting. Third is vectorization operation, means earlier I mentioned loop. So whenever you avoid the loop concept, so you can use the vectorization operation, and that is very faster while you are doing any computation. And fourth is the integration with other library like a pandas, matplotlib. So you can use NumPy with other library also. So now I am going to create my first 1D array. So while creating the first 1D array, we need first array is equal to np dot array, and then under the I'll create one list 1 2 3 3 and 4. Then I'll close this list. Then I'll print this print dot array. My 1D array is created. Now I'm going to create a 2D array. So how we can create a 2D array? Here I am going to give array 1 is equal to np dot array. Same process I will do. Close under this bracket list, and now inside list I will create 2 4 5 and then I'll close it. Then I'll print array 1. Okay, I'm getting issue. Why? See, because of that I have given field element must be 2 or 3 tuple got. Okay, got it. Because of what happened, when I'm closing here I need to give 2 bracket. Now it will 1 2 3 4 5. So whenever you are creating any 2D array, please try to create like that, so you will avoid the whatever issue I got. Then I am going to create a one concept, that is 0 1 and random array. Okay, so I'll write what I'm going to create. 0 zeros, 1s and random array. In this, first I am creating the zeros. Zeros is equal to np dot zeros. I'm going to give 2 5, any number you can give. Yeah, I'm going to multiply 2 into 3. Okay, this, what is this? This is the 2 into 3 array of 0. Okay, if I am going to print this, okay, first I'll write everything. Here once is equal to np dot once, that is also I'll give 3 into 2. Whenever you write, don't skip these things, so you can avoid this. What it will do, this will also 3 into array of ones. Okay, then second one I'll print is random array. So random array, random, I'll create one random array, np dot random dot rand 3 into 3. This is the random array. Okay, okay, yeah. Whenever you miss anything, error will come. Now if you print
like
a
if I
if I print
you know
you know
like
like
zeros,
zeros,
see
see
what
what
output it
output
will
it will
come.
come.
0
0
is
is
not
not
defined
defined
because I
because
am
I am
giving
giving
wrong.
wrong.
Okay,
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 got it.
got it.
If
If
something
something
not
not
defined, how
defined,
we
how we
can
can
get?
get?
Okay,
Okay,
now I
now
am
I am
creating the
creating the
array of
array of
property.
property.
Okay,
Okay,
array
array
property.
property.
Pro.
True.
It's
It's
taking
taking
time
time
because I
because
am
I am
writing
writing
the
the
these
these
things
things
also.
also.
So
So
while
while
creating the
creating the
array of
array of
property,
property,
how we
how we
can
can create? First we create a one array that is called array2. I have given name, and then under that I will create np dot array, and I am going to create two dimensional array 1 2 12 13 14, and then another one I will create 15 16 17, and then I'll close this. Then I'll print air2 dot shape. This will print the shape of array, means like a 2 and 3. Okay, what is shape of array there? That is a 2 and 3. Total block is there 2 and shape is 3, means each block have 3 count. So based on that shape is printing. If I want to print a size, so what I'll do, print array 2 dot sig. What it will print? 6, means what is the size of this array. Okay, if I want to print a number of dimension, so how I can print array dot nd. One dimensional array is there. Okay, I mean this is the one. If 2 dimension there, like that it will come. Okay, if 1 dimension there, so we need to write like that. Okay, so everything is not same. This is one. Oh sorry, 2 dimension array it will come, because I have given here array. Okay, now it will come 2. Yeah, so what if I want to print, if I want to know that what data type I am using, to print array 2 dot d type, that will give you your data type name. So this is the int32, means I am using integer. Now coming to the very important part of the NumPy, that is indexing and slicing. So how you can use indexing? So first what I'll do, first I'll create one simple function while you means while I am using the indexing. 1 second, I will make a raw. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, then later I'll see. First I'll create a one simple array, because I need to do index for that. So that I'll give the name array 3, because array 2 I've already given. Array 2, so np dot array. I'm going to create only one div array 10 20 40 50, and then I'll close. This is my 1D array. I want to print. So here I want to print a output as a 20. So how I can get? So that is called indexing. Okay, the indexing has a feature. If you have a bunch of data and you want to print a specific data, so you can use indexing. So here how I can do it, print array 3 10 2, then I'll break, close. What it will come? 40. Why 0 1 2? So how it will work? Array like a 10 is 0, 20 is 2 1, and 2 is 40, and 3 is 50. So if I want to print 20, then I will give the here 2 1, sorry. So 1 if I'll give is it will print 20. So if you have a huge data set and you want to print a specific data, it means I need only this data, end of data and all something like that. So you can use indexing for that. So you can play with indexing. Lot of things you can do it while using indexing. You can use like that also. I'll give you print array 3. Like if I'll give you that one, what it will come, see 10 is coming. See, if I'm giving you, if I'll give double colon, what happen? See, entire data is printing. So similar like that, if you give a what if I'll give one here, see, so like that you can play 20, 40, 50. So similar like that, if you want only these 3 data, so like that you can give one colon, double colon. So like that it will you print. Only you need to skip, means like if you have a requirement, you want to skip first letter, and then you need to print entire whatever after first letter is there. So something like that you can print it. So that is the beauty of the indexing. Okay. Now I'm coming to the slicing. What is meaning of slicing? What you were thinking? Okay, I will explain you slicing. First, I'll create a my array 4 np dot array. Array 4 is my and inside that I'm going to create a again 10, 20, 30, 40 one list. That is a 1D array and slicing. So whatever here I have done, that is that colon part is the slicing, but in array only we can get these things, means indexing we can get the whatever 1 2. If I'll give here 0, so it will print 0, or only range of your list we can get. But while we are doing the indexing, means while we are doing the slicing, sorry, so we can play with lot of things. Like I'll tell you how we can play it. Print arrow 4 see what output it will come. 20, because 1 double dot come means 0 1, means slicing means 1 means it's starting from first. Okay, and in double dot column means here 3 is this one. Okay, 0 1 to 3. So this is the starting and this is the ending. Okay, so coming from 3 and going from ending from 1, so that is our output will come. Whenever we are doing slicing, it will take your starting and ending. So that is we call the, if I want because something like that, if I want data 20 and 30, so how I can do it? What I'll do it, I'll remove this one. Okay, see 20 30 is output is coming, because only slicing means like it will slice the whatever range you are giving. So means here our 10 is 0, 20 is 1, and 30 is 2, and 40 is 3. So here what we are slicing 1 and 3. So 1 means like a 0 is skipping, means they are slicing, means is slicing, and then after that 3 is 40. So our output will come 20 and 30. That is called slicing, means like you can simply you can in a simple term I can say simply you can remove that things, and only what part you need that you can fetch. Now if you mean same thing, if you want to do in 2D array, how you can do it? So I am creating one 2D array. Okay, 2D, and how you can perform np dot, or 2D array is np, oh sorry, np I have given because of my laptop is a screen touch sometimes. Yeah, and now it's correct. I want to print, one second, array 2D, array 2D, and I'm going to give close it. See what is coming. 5. In that case, what happened? Element at row 1 and column 2. In that case, 5 is coming. Why? If I'll give the here 1, 2, 3, because from this is the row. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is the first row, and second is the column. So I want column of 2. So this 2 is removed and then only 5 is printing. So like that, while you are using 2D array, you can perform similar kind of operation using slicing and all. Now coming to the next, our topic is array operation. How you can do array operation? So there are too many operation there in while doing array operation. So while you are doing array operation, we can do a lot of things like element wise operation. So first I'm going to do element wise operation. A is equal to np dot array and b is equal to np dot array. Now I want to add this because we are doing element wise operation. So I want to add means like I want output as a 5, 7 and 9. So how I can do? I'll give simple print a plus b. A plus b. That is called element wise operation. If I want to multiply, I can do multiplication. If I want to do any operation, I can do in element wise operation. Similar like that, means I'll show you. If I want to multiply, what happening? A asterisk b. See, its multiplication is coming 10, 18 and 4. Yes, 4, 10, 18. Yeah. Now second in matrix manipulation. So same array I am going to do. I'm not going to do. I'm to take. What I'll do here, I will add some value. Okay, that I'll make as a 2D kind of array. Okay, I'll close this one. This is called matrix manipulation. What I am doing, 12, 13, 14. See here, it's coming matrix manipulation. Now what I need to do for matrix manipulation, print np dot a and b. See what output it will come. Why it's coming like that? Shape is not aligned with dim. Okay. What is there? Print. This is correct, na? I think. Yeah. something issue is coming. I don't know why this issue is coming, but I have given correctly. 1 second. I'll give x. Now I'm creating a new one, xy, and here I'm reducing the word. See what happening. I'll check. Maybe something I've done wrongly. 4, 5. Okay. I'll give print np dot. Yeah, now it's coming 36, 33, 36, 96, 105. So how it's happened, that is the one. I don't know how much this is. So this x plus x is equal to np dot array 1 2. I've created list 1 and 2, and for first is my means 2-dimensional list, and y is also 2-dimensional list. That is I'm doing matrix multiplication. So see here, if I'm printing the print np dot x and y, so it's coming 33, 36, 30, and 96, 105. That is doing multiplication of matrix. Okay. So now second is we do also basic math operation. Means like if something you want to do, mean, medium, and all, so you can do through this also. So here I am going to create one function, that is I'll give x1 is equal to np dot array, and then 1 3 5 7. This list is created, and now I'm going to print one by one, print sum of all the element. Okay, so whatever element I have given, the element I want addition, np dot sum, and then x1. See what output is coming. 16. If you add this all the entire element, it will come 16. Similar like that, you can do mean also. You can get medium also, max value. See, 7 is maximum value. You can do a scale also for that. See, you can multiply itself. So similar like that, you can do lot of operation. Now I'm coming to other part, that is called reshaping the array. Okay, that is also under the our array operation, how you can reshape the array. So what I will do while doing reshaping the array, first I will create one array 1 is equal to np dot array. Inside that I'll create 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, this is my array, and now I need to reshape. I'll give the reshape is equal to array 1 dot while if you hit the tab, it will come what you are going to do. Reshape, I want to reshape 2 and 3. Okay, no, I'm not 2 and 3. I want to reshape the 2 and 8. Okay, see what output is coming. Now I need to print this. 1 second. I'll give the 2 and 6, something like that. Can't reshape array size of 5 into the, okay, got it. You can't, that is the bandwidth there in while you are doing. So 1 second. So I have given wrong information. Okay, I'll give 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what here I can give, can't reshape array size of 5 into the shape. Okay, so what I can give, I can give 2 and 3. That it will not come, something like that. Why it's happening? Reshape, can't reshape array of size. Yeah, now it's coming. Yeah, because earlier now I have not run it correctly. Because of that it's happening. Sometimes you get the issue. Okay, so that is not a big deal. You need to understand how you are writing and how you are doing. So see here, what I have to do, reshape 2 row and 3 column. So something like that. I want to 2 and 3. So 2 row means 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. If I'll give something like that, because I have only 6 shape is there, size of 6 there. So I can't do like that, 2 and 5. See, it will issue come. So so whenever you are going to do reshape, first you need to understand what uh, array of list you have given. So accordingly it will your reshape functionality it will work. So because of that I was getting issue. Now the very important feature in NumPy is broadcasting. Means broadcasting is the feature that allow operation between array of different shape. Means like if I'll give a 1 second, first I'll create one value, that is air short call, I'll call air BRD. Okay, that is called broadcasting. np dot array, and then 1, 2, so 2, 3. That is inside the, I've created this. Then I'm giving the scalar. Scalar is equal to 10 because I want to shape the this whatever value I have given. So how I can do it? And then whatever scalar value I have given, means scalar is equal to 10. You can give anything name. Okay. Then I want to print this. Print LBRD. I want to do I want to output as a 11, 12 and 13. So how I can give? I can add 11, 12, 13 is coming. How? Because so if something like that, means broadcasting will do. Earlier why what I mentioned, means it will allow you to do operation, and that operation you can do any shape. Means like if you want to multiply, divide, scare, anything, means any mathematical operation you want to do, you can do through the broadcasting. Now next topic is stacking and splitting. So stacking is very important while we are doing a stacking array. So first what we do, first we need to create a two function. First is there a is equal to, means I'm not going to give a because earlier I have already given. A1 is equal to np dot array, and then 1 and 2. Then b1 is equal to np dot array 3 and 4. I want to, you know, I want to vertical stack of this. So how I can do? That is a stacking will do. Print np dot v. See, and once you hit the tab, it will come. I want this one v stack function, and I will give a1 b1. Then I will close this. Then similar like that, I will need to do horizontal also. np dot h stack. If I'll pip see, well, if you tap, you can get all the whatever functionality you want to do. You can do it. A1 b1, and now you need to print. See, first output is coming 1 2 3 4. Okay, and second output is coming 1 2 3 4. Means like a one is horizontal and second one is a vertical. So like that, if you want to print, you can use a stacking array. That is called a stacking array. Similar like that, we can do a split of array also. So I am going to take this one. I'll copy because it will reduce my, yeah, and then I will add some extra word. Okay, and I'll give this one a2. Okay, and now I want to split. So what I will do, I will print. I want to split into 3 on this part. So what I will do, print np dot split. See, and then you can give the a2. What I want to within means this element, how I can split into 3. So I can give 3, and then I'll close it. See what happening. Array split doesn't result equal division. Why it's coming like that? Array split does not result the equal division. Why equal division? No. Yeah, now it's coming. Okay, because earlier what happened, I have only given the 5 whatever integer value I've given, I have 5 there. Because of that issue is coming. So whenever you are creating any, splitting the array and all something like that array, so first you need to understand. So here, and whatever value you are giving, if I'll give 2, then it will create. So if I'm going to give 2, see, if here it will issue will come. See, now it's, if I'll give here and if I'll reduce, see what happened. Again issue will throw. The array split doesn't result in equal division because of that. So we need to give the equal division. See, and now you need to print. See here, 1 2 3 2 4 3 4 5 6. So like that, when if you want to do this is also issue, it will come if you give 5. So you need to understand how a split is working. So here I have split it between 3. Means first is array 1 2 and second is array 3 4 and array 5 6. Now I can do 2. Only we can do pairing, means pair of splitting is a pair, means so if you have a 6 word, so you can pair 2, yeah, else 3. If you have a 5, you can't pair. If you have 4, then you can pair 2 2 and 2, yeah, only 2 pair is there. So similar like that, you need to do understand, okay? Means how you can do splitting. So because here I am using the array, so we are splitting the array. So we need to understand this functionality also. Okay, what things you can split and what things you can't. Name other functionality also there in a NumPy, lot of functionality there. So I am covering almost all the main feature which mostly we use when we use the NumPy in our project, yeah, any real time project we are doing, like if you are working as a data engineer or data analyst or data scientist, whenever you are doing something data manipulation and all, so NumPy you will use. So now I am going to use logical operation. That is like we while we are giving like a false and true, something like that. So in that, I'm going to create one array 1 is equal to np dot array, and then I will create 1 2 3 4. A list is created. Now I'll print this array. Okay, print array 1 2. See what output will come. False, false, true. Means it's comparing which is less than and greater than. Okay, if I'll give like that, this what happening? See, that is the invalid syntax. You can't use like that. Okay, see, true, false, false. Similar like that, if you want to give the one functionality called np dot where, then you give array is equal to 2. See what happening. Array is equal to 2 and 3. So that is called indice where the condition is true. Okay, whenever you use where. So that is functionality of logical operator. Then also you can do linear algebra. Means before going to deep, I'm not going to deep on the linear algebra because that is the mathematical part also you need to understand. So whatever basic structure there, that I am covering here. A is equal to np dot array 1 2 3 4. This is the part taking time, but we need to do because without data you can't perform any operation. See, okay, 1 second. Yeah, this is done. Now I need to print a determinants. How I can do? Print np dot, see, linear algebra. Okay, so alng we call, and then I need to print determinant. Date for which one? A4 B4 I am giving. Okay, 1 second. For A4. See, for A4 is determinants is coming what? -2. If I want to print inverse, how I can do? Same copy and paste. In I and B is dnet inverse. What it is coming? -2, 1.5 minus 0.5. So similar like that, lot of operation you can do. Now I'm coming to explain you save and load on array. How you can save array and also load the array. That is our last topic in this tutorial. Array is equal to np dot array. I'm going to give array 7, and then again same thing I'm going to do 1 2 3 and then close. Now I want to save this np dot sav save dot array dot npy dot this array save in this folder. Okay, and I want to load this. Okay, load air is equal to np dot load. I want to print. Save 1 2 3. That is a functionality called save and load. So if you want to do some similar like that, you can perform large scale of data also. First, what you need, you if you want to save something from somewhere, so you need to create this kind of list, and then you can save it, and then after that, if you want to load that data, you can load it, and then you can print it also. So similar like that functionality, NumPy will provide.